Hey you guys, and welcome to Not My Kitchen Midnight Munchies and More. I am your chef Charisse, and today we're going to be making super quick and easy recipes. So I'm just going to let you know right now, hit that subscribe button so we can get on to getting on. We're going to make a super easy apple crisp crumble, delicious vegan in your mouth. So let's jump in. I have about 5 apples from the orchard, thanks to Greg's mom, and I just cut them up willy-nilly. Like, there's no really rhyme or reason, just a rough chop. I didn't peel them because, you know, there's a lot of nutrients and stuff in the skin, and, like, you don't want to waste it. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't peel them because I didn't feel like it. I'm lazy. So we're just going to throw them in. You can do, like, a 13 by 9. I'm doing this fancy dish. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of... It'll come out of there, brown sugar. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of cinnamon. And that's all that goes in there. We're just going to mix this all together. Fun fact, most cake mixes that you buy at the store are vegan, like the mix itself. Obviously, like, if you follow the directions on the back, it says add egg, and that's not vegan. But, so most of them are vegan. So I have a yellow boxed cake mix. And to that, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of vegan butter. And I'm probably going to use my hands to mix this in, because basically what we're doing is we're just going to make like a quick crumble to put on top. And then we're just going to sprinkle it all over the top until the bowl's empty. Definitely optional if you're allergic to nuts or don't want them. But I'm also just going to add some walnuts on top as well, a little extra texture. I don't know, it seemed like a good idea. So that's what I'm going to do. And I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to let her go for like 35 minutes, basically till it's golden brown and bubbly. And yeah, let's just put all the nuts on there. I mean, who doesn't love nuts? You know what I'm saying? You guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Let's see. Get some nuts. Oh yeah, get some of this like crusty. Got like crusty on the outside. You gotta have the nuts. They get like toasted. Beautiful texture. The crumble's beautiful. The apples are like nice and soft and cinnamony. Holy shit. This is actually really good. I don't really like apple pie or any pies besides like pumpkin. I don't like apple crap. I usually make this stuff for Greg. This is good. This I will eat again and again and again. Full written recipe, link below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Like, comment, I'll get him next time.
Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.